Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to keep your kohl, kajal or eyeliner intact without letting it smudge. Even if it's humid outside or it's raining like crazy, it will not smudge. So the first step is to prep your lids. Once you have prepped your lids, just set it with a loose powder or a compact powder so that you get a clean base for your eyes, and also it soaks up the excess oil around your eyes for that easy application of the liner or kajal. Next step is to apply waterproof kajal. Today I am using this Jordana Easy Liner for the eyes, and this is a retractable pencil, so you need not to sharpen it. Then gently I am going to pull my eyes so that I can see my water line, and I'll start from the outer corner and then I'll go in the inner corners, because generally your inner corners are watery, but if you have sensitive eyes, I will not recommend to use any kohl or eyeliner in the inner corners. You just have to make sure that you are using smudge-proof products, whether it's a liner or a kajal. In that way, it will stay longer. Next, if you see that your eyes are becoming watery, then just take a soft tissue paper and gently place around your lower waterline. Next step is to set your kohl or kajal with a black eyeshadow. It's the same thing as you set your base makeup with a translucent powder. It's important to set your kohl or kajal with a black eyeshadow. Today I'm using this Nika Smoky at 8 palette, and I'll be taking that black eyeshadow and just stamping it with an angular definer brush around my lower waterline to make my kohl intact and smudge proof. Next step, if you plan to use any mascara, make sure that it's waterproof. Today I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm applying a generous amount of coat on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And guys, let me know in the comment section below if you want to see a full detailed tutorial on how to apply mascara. I will be giving you some tips and tricks. I will be happy to do that. Now that I have given you all tips and tricks, let's put my eyes to Weir test. For that, I'm using this refreshing eye drops, and I'll just put one drop and let it sit till my eyes become watery. And here you can see tears rolling down my eyes. I just wanted to show you guys that this technique is so good, and I've tried and tested. And here you can see my kajal is intact, and it will not smudge even if it's raining outside or you're sweating like crazy. Now, if your kajal is so smudge proof, how you are going to take it off? For that, I'm using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and I've taken few drops on this cotton pad, and I'll gently wipe it off around my eyes, because you have to be very gentle when it comes to the eyes. And you can use any makeup remover for that. You can also use coconut oil, that is the best option. So yeah guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and little tips and tricks on how to apply kohl, kajal or eyeliner. If you plan to use this technique, do tag me in my Instagram account and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.